delicate and pathetic you are in the eyes of those who take advantage of your weakness. Gentle and kind you were, but your love was overshadowed by the translation of fear. You cried for help. No one heard. You cried out for mercy, and the frequency of your voice was blurred. You shouted with all your heart in silence, and the tears followed through like a desert begging for a single mist. Your physical wounds are easily repaired, but your emotional scars can never be reestablished. Who can reinstate the passionate you? Who can restore your scars with fervent adorations? Tell me, where did your self-esteem go? Who can dry your internal tears? Who can hear your lonely cries at night? And who can rescue your hopeless mansions? Despairing and depressed, when you remember the screams and the wailing of your soul. But in you, my sister, there is something. There was something that has been lost and has never been told. It's that Pandora box of strength that you pull from deep within your womb. And you come to significant terms with self that your past must never and can never be exhumed. So all is in control now when you smile, when you reminisce the scars, because I see you as a resistor, and you are the great I am by far. You now say to yourself, I am the strongest one. You now say to yourself, I am the control of my world. I am a strong woman. You now say to yourself, I am the giver of life. I had to endure that bitter hatred so I can teach a better life. I am the full circle. I am the power to nurture. I am the power to create and navigate myself to a better and more contented future. Stronger than I was before, and I'm the challenger of the world through my eyes. I am the great forgiver of sins. No more will I cry. Because I am the strongest one. No more will I cry. Because I am love. I am resilient. I